All right, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another round of coffee and questions. What are we going to talk about this morning? Well, I was with a friend of mine. We were going to go out and pick up some pine wood from out at Home Depot, and we ran into this exact set. Now, this is a copy that I took off of Amazon just to give you an idea and a little bit of description here. It's the Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty Driver Bit Set, 142 pieces. Now on Amazon, it's $43.89 plus free shipping. And so you think, well, it's not too bad of a deal. Getting 142 pieces, they're 1/4 inch, 20 threaded mount. They're made out of 76 alloy kind of steel. And so for that additional resistance, strength, and shock, it says. And so is it a really good set? Well, if you take a look at it from, like a beginner set up to a pro set, it's not a pro, but it's not a beginner. I'd land it somewhere right in the middle, and I read the 9 reviews here plus off of the forum, and everybody seems to like them. But if you are one of these construction workers or somebody that's going to really be using and abusing these on a daily basis, is probably not your choice. You're probably going to want to spend the extra money and get something much higher grade. But this is not a cheap set either. It's a damn good set. So, I mean, if you're the occasional user, like a DIY hobbyist, or you just want them for around the garage and the house, it's a damn good deal, I think. And it's $43.89. But here's the interesting thing I wanted to show you. And bam, right here. This is what I wanted to show you. $29.88 currently out at Home Depot. And so a friend of mine went ahead and picked this up the other day when we were out there, and I thought, I don't know if I really need that. But he went ahead and picked it up. I thought, we'll play around with his, and I'll see whether or not I really want one. So we came back to his place. I took a closer look at it, and I thought, well, they're sitting there saying that this thing's 30 times more strong and all this stuff. Well, where it is if you see right here to my right, where it says Milwaukee in red on the shaft of that bit, that's where all of the strength and the special metal is, and it says that all of these have been machined for, a smoother, tighter fit, especially to your impact drill or your driver, and they're supposed to hold incredibly well. And he has the Milwaukee impact driver at home, and it does. It fits right in there. It fits nice and snug. So I thought, okay, I mean, so far so good. And I wanted to make a couple of comments along with what the people on the forum said, rather, about some of the other details. So let me just change the picture here, and we'll have a further discussion. All right, so this is just a quick picture pulled off of the web. This is what you get. It started getting a little blurry from blowing it up, but you get 4 distinct sets, and it's nice because you have that slide lock on each side so that things aren't flying around on you. But the other thing I like about this molded plastic case, the bits fit in there really snug. And if you want, like a friend of mine did, he just took a Sharpie, labeled the top of them, he laid them in his drawer, and so then, like I said, it doesn't take up that much space, and he just grabs the box out. And the other thing is all these little shelves in there where the bits are being held, they actually rotate and flip up. So let me see if I can find a picture, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, there's a better picture right here. It's showing you where these things can actually rotate and flip up on you, and they fit in there nice and snug. So it's not one of those where it's just going to fall all around on you and you're going to misplace things. Like I said, my stuff's scattered. I thought this is nice. I mean, when you're done using them, put them right back in the holder. They rotate back down flat. Shut the box. Got a little lock thing on there, and boom, you're done, and it stays dust free too. So nice little addition here. But I wanted to show you another picture and make another comment. Give me just a second. All right, this is a little bit better view. I mean, where you can see you get the drill bits, you get all kinds of assortment of things in with this kit. I mean, that you may find of use. I mean, especially like I said, if you just want them, around the house or for the occasional use. It's got Phillips, it's got square, it's got Torx, it's got flat, it's got single nut, drivers. It's got lots of different odds and ends and things that you can use. And actually, I'm going to leave the link below. You can go right to the Amazon site. And you can take a look at more detailed pictures, of this particular set. Incredibly handy. I think they tried to make it as complete as they could. And it's a good price even on Amazon. But the better deal right now for however long it lasts is out at Home Depot, because you're going to get it for about $14, maybe a little bit more cheaper. When I was talking to one of the associates when I was out there, he said, yeah, he goes, they've been flying off the rack. He goes, ever since we got them. He goes, we got tons of people wanting to buy this because it's a good price point, I think is what he was trying to say. So they have it as a leader item on, one of their end aisles. and you know, out at the one that I go to. So, but I'm sure all Home Depots have them on sale for the same price right now for as long as it lasts. I'm going to show you the specs. I kind of wrote it out to give you a little bit better idea. Give me just a sec. Okay, I won't make this a long video. I'm just alerting you to basically your deal of the week from me. I mean, or at least, like I said, while it lasts, I think it's a great deal. So what I would suggest is take a look above, hit pause, and you can read down through what it includes. I mean, to comprise that 142 pieces. See if it's something that, you know, you can benefit from by owning a set while they're on sale at this price. All right, looking to see if there's any other questions. I think we all agree they're for light duty or DIY kind of work, hobbyists, so forth. And let's see what else are they saying. What's the big deal about them saying it's a shockwave tool, I guess, is what you're saying. It's supposed to absorb the impact, the tension, the vibration. They're supposed to last a lot longer because of that alloy 76 steel they're made out of. They probably do, to give you an honest answer. They're probably going to outlast a lot of them. What happens if you snap or break one of the drills, or you screw up and you lose one of the bits or something like that? You can always buy replacement bits and just add them right back in, you know, to these Milwaukee cases and sets. I mean, I've said that on previous videos, especially when it comes to these thin drill bits. I mean, some of the thin ones, I break them, but, you know, like I keep saying in the videos, I buy 3 or 4 at a time when I'm out there. I've always got the extras around. What's the warranty? I believe it's a 5-year warranty on a lot of this stuff. So, you know, I don't know what to tell you. I think it's a great deal. Take a look at getting it. Drop me a comment if you think it's not a good deal, or if there's something better out there and you not have such a good experience with these. But meant to be your quick tip of the week and the bargain of the week. I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe. Drop me a comment below. Tell me if you think there's something better out there for the price. I hope you click subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. You folks have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.